In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an active hyperlink in a PDF saved from Adobe Illustrator. This is a pretty new feature in Illustrator. You've been able to do it in InDesign for a while, but I'm really excited that they've extended it to Illustrator. So let's dive in. If you're new here, I'm Laney, and I do have a full Adobe Illustrator intro course that's free that I'll link in the description of this video. So I have this kind of download for a DIY product that I have, and there's a little video showing people how to attach their belly bands after they've print and cut them. And I want this video to be an active hyperlink. So what I'm going to do is just select the piece that I want to be the active hyperlink, and I'm going to go over to the attributes window. You can find this in window attributes if you don't have it on your doc already. Now what we're going to use is image map, and you can decide if you want it to be rectangle or polygon. I'm just going to use rectangle because this shape is a rectangle. And then I will type in my YouTube video. It will also include videos that you've used in the past, so you can see that same link here because I did have this already linked prior to this video. And then what you can do is also map the text to this URL as well. And that will just make sure that anyone who clicks anywhere in this area will get that URL. So now when I save as a PDF, when I click on this link, it'll take you over to YouTube where you can get my video on how to install the belly bands after they print them. Of course, after you watch a really nice ad. This is very meta, linking a YouTube video in the middle of a YouTube video. But I'm really excited about this. I think it's very easy. So just as a reminder, you'll go into window attributes, and then you'll select whatever you want and use this image map tool. And then when you save it as a PDF, it will be an active hyperlink, just like you can do in InDesign. This is not going to work on other types of files, so just keep that in mind that it does need to be a PDF that you save out, but I'm really excited about this new hyperlink feature. Let me know what you think, and again, if you're new to Adobe Illustrator, I do have a full course that you can take for free that I'll link in the description of this video. Thanks, everyone.